guys, there cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw My Melody shake. So let's get started. To draw this yummy shake, let's first start by drawing a big curve across for the glass. So let's come right here and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve all the way across. Say about that wide. And now that I have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to draw our glass. So I'm going to come down. I'm trying to aim for this typical milk shake glass shape here. So it's going to come down. It's going to get thinner as we go down. So let's bring this down. Back and forth, and we're just going to aim go a little bit lower to maybe about, say, right there. And same thing on this side. There. So now about the same level, let's go ahead and we're going to connect it with another soft curve. Then right here, let's draw a little neck. So we're going to draw a curve on both sides and then connect it. And then another, the base. So let's come in right here. We're going to curve and then curve down. So same thing here. Curve and then connect it. So now that's the same level. Let's go ahead and connect it with a curve. There. So we have our basic glass shape in. From there, let's go ahead and I'm going to come back to the top right here and I'm just going to draw a curve following my top curve. I'm just going to kind of break it up, not connect it all the way. There. And then we're going to come down following the shape that we drew, just so that it looks like glass, and here at the bottom as well. And same thing here. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come in here and put some stuff inside, right? So I'm going to come in a little bit and we're just going to draw this mound of cream. So I'm just going to kind of wobble the shape up to about, say, right here. Just give it a little bit of a peek and then I'm going to come right back down. And whatever space I have left, I'm just going to draw a little curve to go around. There. And then this can kind of continue in, because it is glass, right? So you can kind of see through it. And maybe we do this when we're coloring. You want to divide your milk, your shake from your cream. So you can kind of, well, let's do this when we're coloring. So just color this part white and then the bottom whatever color you want. I don't want to muddle with a Sharpie. Okay, so from there, let's add a cherry. So about right here, I'm going to stick a big cherry. I'm going to come down, give it a little bit of wobble, and down. And then right here, we're going to give it a little curve, and then a stem, and then thicken this part up. Then, of course, we need a straw. So let's put one about right here. I'm going to angle it in. Get a little bit of a curve and follow your first angle for your straw. And then because this is a My Melody Sanrio shake, we're going to come about right here and add a bow. So add a circle right here and the loops. And loop right here. And the tail. Same thing here. There. And we can give it some stripes. There. Okay, and then let's see here, we can add some sprinkles on the top right here. So I'm just going to come right here. Draw a line, round it off, and connect. I'm just going to draw bunch of them in different directions. And of course you can add whatever you like. This is just meant to inspire you. Add some circles maybe, just to break it up. Another one there. Okay, so now that we have that, let's bring this shake to life, right? So I was thinking of drawing some draw so cute eyes, but then I thought maybe we should make this like a My Melody eyes, right? So if you want to do that, let's come about right here, and I'm just going to draw an oval just like My Melody. I'm not sure if it's gonna look good. If not, then I can always just switch it out to draw so cute eyes, right? So about right here, we draw another big oval. But since this shake was inspired by My Melody, I figured maybe we should try the eyes. So I'm gonna come right here and just put in a highlight just to add some sparkle. Shade this all in. Same thing here. And then we're going to add a little nose in between, so a little oval. And then underneath this nose, we're just going to draw a smile. There. And I'll just come to the top right here and just draw a little curve. And hopefully that will look pretty cute. And then when you're coloring, you're just going to add some of these pink stripes right here, like maybe 4 of them, to make it look like the shake glass. But that is pretty much it. I'm just going to, let's see here, where can I add my heart? No, I'll just add a big heart right here, because it's yum to make this my Draw So Cute My Melody inspired shake from Sanrio. I really hope you love how this turned out, and if I helped you draw this fun and easy today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.